Security issues and cyber threat has emerged as a major concern these days, especially after the India-China clash. We have seen Indian government banning 59 Chinese apps following a ban of other few apps for Indian Army as well, which contains your IMO, Facebook, Snapchat, Tinder, Tumblr, Twitter and many other social media platforms. We have seen a tons of video with respect to TikTok that how it doesn't comply with the user's policy and it tracks user preferences and locations. We have also seen a major wave and shift of concern over the privacy policies among the users after a long time. Is it only the Chinese apps that needs to be blamed? Or is it just the TikTok or the WeChat that has to be blamed for this? What's the catch? Why it happened and why it happened now? Let's understand this. Let's understand this in a more deeper way. What's the potential threat of using these social media apps and specifically for the Indian Army? Hi, I'm Rahul and welcome to channel LOT, Loads of Talks. And if you like the facts in this video, then please don't forget to share it with as many as people you can. And yeah, please do like, subscribe and share this channel as well. Support us the initiative that we want to educate the society and put a smile on everybody's face. Thank you. Many cases have been cited within the man in uniform where they have been trapped and lured, जहाँ पे उनसे बहुत सी sensitive information leak हुई है through the social media platforms. And welcome to honey trapping. So what is honey trapping? Honey trapping basically means that the other side is trying to investigate a case or trying to get a set of information from the other person by use of romanticism or a sexual relationships. आसान शब्दों में कोई आपको बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है by playing emotionally with you and getting a set of information. ये कोई नई बात नहीं है, ऐसा पहले भी बहुत बार हो चुका है. ISI has already used Facebook, जहाँ पे उनके एजेंट्स ने हमारे बहुत से जवानों को इसी तरीके से हनी ट्रैपिंग के ज़रिए बहुत से इंफॉर्मेशन लीक कराए हैं. उनमें से एक केस में ऑन द मंथ ऑफ फरवरी जहाँ पे 13 नेवी के जवानों ने इस तरीके की हनी ट्रैपिंग में फंसे थे, विच मीन्स जहाँ पे 13 नेवी जवानों के ऊपर केस चले हैं जहाँ पे उन्होंने सेंसिटिव इंफॉर्मेशन लीक किए हैं ISI एजेंट्स को, जहाँ पे आंध्र पुलिस ने एक जॉइंट ऑपरेशन विद द नेवी इंटेलिजेंस के जरिए 13 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया, जिनमें से 2 सिविलियंस थे. एज पर द ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट फ्रॉम द नेवी सोर्सेज, एंड आई कोट एंड अनकोट, the 11 Navy personnel and the 2 civilians have been apprehended in connection with the espionage case so far, while a large number of social media profiles of services personnel are under the scanner of being in touch with the suspicious profiles. Pakistan Army and the ISI operatives have already been using the social media platform and the way of honey trapping for getting the sensitive information from the Indian Armed Forces. And अभी के सिचुएशन में the clash between the India and China has even made the situation more critical. अभी already इंडिया को एक साइबर थ्रेट का खतरा है, जहाँ पे 59 चाइनीज ऐप्स के बैन के बावजूद भारत में 89 ऐप्स को स्पेसिफिकली बोला गया है इंडियन आर्मी के लिए not to use it, and if they use it after July 15th, then a strict mandatory action will be taken against them. Many other cases have also been found, just like the 13 Navy personnel, where in one of the cases from Jaisalmer, a Jawan got in touch with a female personnel named Anika Chopra over Facebook, and while the conversation, he has exchanged some sensitive information about the armored unit and its movement from one place to the another. Around 50 more Jawans have been under the investigation with whom Anika Chopra had the conversation. कुछ महीनों पहले ही an engineer at BrahMos facility in Nagpur was arrested for alleged spying and passing on sensitive information to the ISI handlers. Even then, Pakistani handlers have used social media accounts of women to honey trap that person. In October last year, an Indian Army soldier of Meerut cantonment was caught and several other detained by the UP anti-terror squad on the charges of espionage activities carried out on the direction of the infamous ISI. Honey trapping is just the one side of the coin. If we look into the digital aspect of the security threat, then most of the social media platforms, 99.9% of them, they have access to all your data. They have access to your microphone, your camera, your data, your images, everything, your location, everything. They know what you do. If you take example of such apps, then one such app is IMO. IMO is a video calling and a free chat app जहाँ पे कोई भी यूजर्स उसे यूज़ कर सकता है and they have a more than 500 million downloads across the globe. But what's the catch? If 500 million people are using this app, then what could be the potential threat for them? Then here are some of the reasons. Number 1, the chats are not end-to-end encrypted. It means कि आपका chat कोई भी पढ़ सकता है. Even the IMO developers can read your chat, and anybody outside can also read the chat if somebody hacks them. So there is no end-to-end encryption. Unrestricted location tracking. Even though अगर आपने अपने IMO app को location tracking share करने के लिए allow नहीं किया है, still they will be able to track you. And here it is an example जहाँ पे I am able to see an ad of a company which is of Bengaluru based, and I can see the ad and it's a location based targeting. Unrestricted access to your contact. Even though मैंने IMO app को allow नहीं किया है मेरे contacts को read करने का, but still they are able to read all my contacts, and this is where the whole picture comes, and this is where the danger is, because they are able to track you even though you haven't allowed them anything. And this is where the security threat comes for the Indian forces. If we look into this big digital world, then social media platforms में इस तरीके के बहुत से छोटे और बड़े developers they upload their own apps. अब इन सब apps में जब users they start using it, then they give access to their most of the sensitive informations. अगर आप imagine कीजिए, अगर यही इन set of apps अगर हमारे Indian personal forces use करेंगे, then you can imagine the amount of threat and danger that it can pose. They will be able to get all of the information, and not just that, they will be able to locate them pinpointedly. Digital ads. This is also one of the biggest threat for the Indian forces, where hackers can track their location and their sensitive information. जहाँ पे अगर एक location based targeting के जरिए अगर एक ad उनको दिखाया जाता है and they click on it, then they can easily track them and they can easily get a set of information from them as well. So this is also one of the biggest threat for the Indian forces. So this is the reason that why Indian forces have been told to uninstall these apps, and specifically at this point of time जहाँ पे situation बहुत ही critical है and India is planning some strategic plan to cope up and to handle the China. Let's support our Indian forces. Let's support our country. Let's support each other. And if you've liked the facts in this video, then please don't forget to share it with other people as well. And hereby I end this video, and like I always say, respect all, love all. Namaskaram.